If you own a home, chances are you have homeowners insurance to protect you when disaster strikes. But what if you rent? Do you still need insurance? The answer? Yes. And Consumer Reports explains recent disasters have shown just how valuable renters insurance can be. When the deep freeze hit Texas in February, Amani Alsawa was one of millions of people who lost power and suffered water damage when her frozen pipes burst.
I was just so shocked because it was literally raining in my apartment. It was gushing out so much that it started flooding almost immediately.
The damage was so bad she was forced out of her home.
I had to leave my apartment and find somewhere dry and safe to go.
Since then, Alsawa has been living in a hotel and the bills are adding up. Fortunately, she has renter's insurance, which will pay some of her living expenses and help cover much of what she lost. Her policy costs about $20 a month. Money well spent, according to Consumer Reports.
Renter's insurance can provide an important safety net if something happens.
Aside from helping cover damage or theft of your property and reimbursement if you're forced to move out, insurance offers liability protection if someone is injured in your home. It can also cover some possessions when you're not home, like if something is stolen out of your car. Well, like any type of insurance, Consumer Reports says it's important to check the policy carefully.
Renter's insurance is fairly standardized, although coverage can vary depending on your insurer and where you live. Bottom line, make sure you understand your policy, what's covered and what's not.
CR suggests getting several quotes to make sure the policy gives you what you need, whether that's a low deductible, additional coverage for your valuables, or, like Alsawa, a stay in a hotel if your apartment is damaged.
You don't know when you're going to need it until you need it, and then once you need it, then you're like glad that you have it.
Consumer Reports also recommends doing a home inventory before disaster strikes. And that could be as easy as taking video of important items in your house. Head to localsyr.com for more of CR's tips for doing a home inventory.